Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're back with another Amazon bestsellers. Time got away from me and we missed, and by we I mean me, Q2 and Q3. So this is going to be the 20 bestsellers of the past few months. I don't know, I think my last one was in April, so we have a lot to catch up on and a lot of good products to talk about. As always, these are the top products purchased by y'all from my videos, so I am so grateful that y'all trust me and my recommendations to even buy them. I'm super excited to get into it. You can follow me over on Instagram for more, on TikTok for more unboxings and favorites, and of course subscribe for more Amazon finds, especially towards the end of the year. It's my favorite time to do gift guides and all that good stuff. So let's get into it. Starting off strong with number 20, we have the Grande Lash Serum for your lashes. This was on sale recently and it was on sale during Prime Day as well in July. This is such a good product for growing your lashes, making them grow thicker and longer. It's pretty pricey. The 3-month supply is about $64 usually, so during these sales it definitely goes down in price. So if you're wanting it, you want to restock on it, I would wait until Black Friday to do so because it will go down again. I know I overuse this phrase a lot, but I'm really surprised to see this on this list because this is usually a bestseller when I do the yearly recap or when I do, you know, the best-selling gifts. But number 19 is the car registration and insurance holder. This has always been a bestseller since like 2020 when I first shared it. It's like $10. It's great for gifting and it's really useful and functional to have. I just filmed my under 15 gift guide and I put it in there as well. Number 18 makes me really proud. It's this lash extensions kit to do them at home. It's what I'm wearing on my lashes right now. I stopped getting lash extensions done back in February. Haven't looked back since. The kit is like $9 of Amazon. It comes with the glue and different lengths of the lash clusters, and y'all, like, you wouldn't even tell. They last me like, I think I've been wearing these for almost 2 weeks, which is wild. I highly recommend if you've been wanting to give lash extensions a try but they're too expensive, or if you are just done getting lash extensions, because they are so easy. I have an entire tutorial on my channel. Number 17 is this personalized dog tag. I have the little balloon bone, but you can really get a ton of different shapes of it. The front, it just says his name Skippy, and on the back I have our address and my phone number just in case. It's so cute. I said it would make a great gift for a dog lover, a pet lover, cat mom, whatever, and it's only $14, which I think is such a steal. Number 16, I don't even know if I've shared on my channel, but I'm assuming I have. Either that or I've been wearing it in videos and linking it, but it's this ring that I got recently. It was only $8 and I really like it. It's like this really funky texture and it's really cool. I've just been wearing it on this finger and I just, oh my god, please ignore the self-tan over my hands. It's simple, but it's cute enough for every day. I love it. Number 15 is the electric scrubbing brush, but the older version. So I did a whole Amazon cleaning favorites at the beginning of the year. This is probably where this comes from. Since then, I've upgraded it to a different one. This one comes with more brush heads and it tells you how much charge battery it has, which I find it really useful considering you could be mid-cleaning and it would just die sometimes with this one. Go ahead and like spend like $10 more and get the upgraded version if I were you. Number 14 is this tweezer set. So nice to have. I usually buy one like once a year, which is pretty bad. I mean, I still have like remnants of the other ones, but I find that I lose a ton of them, and ever since, you know, doing my lashes, I also use the tweezers for that. So sometimes they go a little dull if I'm using too much pressure or glue, but it comes in the cutest little packaging that you can keep them in, and it comes with all the tweezers you would need, from, you know, plucking your eyebrows to taking out a splinter. You really get a little bit of everything. Number 13 are these beautiful brass bell ornaments with the black velvet ribbon detailing. I shared this recently because they finally got restocked after selling out back in November last year, and they're just so beautiful. They add so much to your tree and they're so inexpensive compared to Anthropologie and Pottery Barn and the alternatives that how could I not recommend them? The fact that they're already on this list is really wild to me, but I would really get them now before they sell out, because I swear as soon as people start decorating, they're gone from Amazon. Number 12 are gorgeous gold hoop earrings. They're so little, but they really pack a punch. They look great. I'm not wearing them today. I haven't even said this on my channel. Out of all things, an Amazon van rear-ended my husband in my car, so they're currently in my car at the shop. My car's fine, it should be back home soon, but that's why I'm not wearing them, because I usually would wear them to my workouts. I would forget that I was wearing them, and then I was like, okay, well, let me take them off. I would leave them in my middle console, put them back on. Last time I did it, I didn't put them back on, and that's where they are. But highly recommend. They don't tarnish, they're not heavy, they're just such a cute everyday hoop that still, you know, adds a little bit of something to your outfit and your look. Number 11 are the Mighty Patch nose strips. I say this very frequently on my channel. I suffer from like really clogged pores on my nose, whiteheads, so I've tried every single nose strip on the market, no joke, and these Mighty Patch ones are the most effective and efficient ones that I've tried. I really recommend the brand for everything. I have these really terrible like under the skin pimples on my chin because probably hormones due to pregnancy, and y'all, I do the little pimple patches with the little needles and they come out immediately. It's crazy. Number 10 is the Blink doorbell camera. We recently upgraded our Ring camera to the Blink because we have the Blink security system, so I thought might as well just like make it seamless and have it all be Blink. It was $29 during the sales. It always goes on sale during like Prime Day, the Prime sale, and Black Friday, so if you're wanting it, just wait a few months. But y'all, 10 out of 10 we recommend. We recently had quite the scary situation with someone trying to break into our house, and the fact that like the camera would show us every single thing this person was doing was crazy and so useful, especially when it came to proving it to the cops. So if you don't have a Ring camera, I don't care which one you buy, just do it. It's safety, it's truly just for the best. Like, I mean, the ads on TikTok don't lie. From people breaking in, to kids needing help, to your house being on fire and your neighbor warning you, whatever. Not to fearmonger, but I think they're a necessity. Speaking of necessities, the baby car seat camera is number 9. I actually got this recently for my best friend of her registry. I just recommend it to everyone. I think it's so much more convenient and safer than the mirror one because it's right by where you drive, so you don't have to like look at the rear view to look at the mirror on their car seat. This is just so much more convenient. It's $20, so it's not that much more than like the baby car seat mirrors. I'm really excited for this because I think this is gonna be one of my top gift recommendations and potentially a top seller for the year. The number 8 bestseller so far, and it's this indoor hydroponic garden. I've been eyeing it since Prime Day. That's when I first shared it back in July because it was 70% off, and I really regretted not buying it. So much so that when I saw in October that it was back on sale, back 70% off, it originally is $164. It goes on sale to $49, okay? It's this really cool herb garden that is automatic with the light and the situation and the water. It comes with all the seed pods already. So our little herbs are about to sprout, and I think this is the coolest gift. My mom came over the other day, she's like, why didn't you give me one? So it's already on my list to get on Black Friday for her for Christmas. So really glad a lot of you snagged it up. I did like a story on my Instagram talking about it, and a lot of you grabbed it, which is exactly how this product became number 7. It's Liquid Multivitamin by Mary Ruth Organics. I've actually purchased this once at the beginning of the year. I thought it was a little expensive for a month supply of a multivitamin. A lot of people on TikTok swear by it. They say you have to be consistent with it and, you know, take it more than just 1 month. I kind of gave up on it, but it was on sale during the Prime sale recently. I shared it on my Instagram and it became the number 7th bestseller. Okay, number 7 is really exciting. It's these little sponges that look like books. It comes with 3 for like $10, and it's one of my gift recommendations for under 15. I think they're so cute, such like a little novelty item to make something that you do every day much more fun for someone that loves books like I do. I think it's just the cutest thing ever. It also just looks really fun on your kitchen ledge when you're washing the dishes. I just think it's adorable. I recommended it and it's number 6. Number 5 is this quilted tote bag that has been everywhere. Like all the fashionable moms, all the cool city girls are wearing these totes. So I found a few alternatives of Amazon. I have the creamy one in the medium size, and y'all, I've been using that bag more than any other bag I own. It's like 20 bucks, fits everything, and it goes with everything. You can be wearing like a really nice outfit and it goes. You can be wearing like leggings and a t-shirt and it goes. It's not bulky. You can wipe it off. It's just amazing. So they have a ton of like neutral colors, a ton of fun colors. I recently got cobalt blue from Temu. I also have a pink one from Temu, so you can get it there too. But the Amazon one ended up being the number 5 bestseller. Okay, the number 4 bestseller is actually a toy. It's this farm animal barn toy that my daughter is obsessed with. I always get questions about her favorite toys, her favorite things, or people like text me like, hey, like what should I gift a 1-year-old, a 2-year-old? This has been like my go-to recommendation lately because it's perfect for so many ages. The toys are not small. Sorry about the lighting, the sun just came out. They're not small, so they're not a choking hazard, so you can even just buy it for a 6-month-old. It helps with memorization, remembering her colors and learning colors, has numbers too, learning animals, and it helps with fine motor skills because you kind of have to like figure out how to open it and close it, which has been helping Olivia a ton. I love this thing. It's less than 20 bucks and you can always get a coupon, so I highly recommend, especially if you're gifting to toddlers this holiday season. Hello, editing me here. It has come to my attention that I forgot to film number 3, which as you can tell is the Bissell Bissell. Still don't know how to say it after years of y'all correcting me. The little green machine. This has gone on sale both on Prime Day in July and recently in October, and I'm sure coming soon on Black Friday. But this is a must-have if you have kids, pets, if you're a messy gal. But here's a satisfying yet gross and embarrassing footage of us cleaning my car where my daughter's car seat usually is. Oh, number 2. It makes me feel pretty good about myself actually, because it must mean that I look good in it. It's this lipstick that I'm wearing today. I love buying affordable lipsticks because it's something that I run out of so quickly. Recently I got this one from L'Oreal of Amazon, and y'all, it's like the perfect neutral shade. It adds a little color. It's like my lips but better. $7 most importantly. I'll leave the exact shade below, but it's a number 2 bestseller and I'm so proud because I love it. I already knew this was coming. I already expected it. It's the Free People sweater set look-alike. I made a TikTok unboxing it. It took me like 10 seconds to film that TikTok. It got like 87,000 views and I knew this was coming. It's an amazing alternative to the Free People set. I almost purchased it full price myself because I thought it would be the perfect fall winter postpartum set, and I was right. I wore it this week, like 2 days ago. So cute, so cozy, so pretty, and the best quality for a sweater set for the price point. So highly recommend if you haven't checked it out, but I knew this was coming. I'm not surprised at all. So guys, those are the 20 best sellers from Amazon for my videos for the past 5-ish months, I guess. I am surprised at some, I'm not at others, and I'm just really happy with this list. I can't wait to see how much it changes once December's done. I can't wait to see which ones make it onto the best-selling gift ideas. Have so many exciting videos and content and things coming to my channel for the rest of the holiday season, so stay tuned and subscribe for more. As always, thank you guys for trusting me, for shopping through my links, for being here. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.